Moustache, come to my place, I'll hook you up. I also have another hobby, skating. One thing I've learned, always gotta wear a helmet when you're skating.
Sup, dude? You know what I like to do? I like to shoot Nerf guns. Add muzzle flare effects to that and you've got yourself a real gun. So anyways, another hobby I have, skateboarding. You know what I think of the helmet? Love it. Baseball helmet, better than a skating helmet. What you got? Yeah, we're gonna go to an epic skate-off. What you think of this?
That sounds awesome, but why stay off my skateboard?
Skateboard, one skateboard per skate out. Skate our own skateboard. We don't skate our own skateboard. We got our own skateboard.
I swing on bubble gum.
First part to the epic skate off. Moustache man.
First, I've got to operate up this bubble. Alright, well, let's get to it. Woo! Wow! Let's go. We have this dude who likes Nerf guns.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna shoot no Nerf guns. Nerf guns are for babies. I'm gonna get this helmet, get this skateboard, and I'm gonna do a backflip. You know what? A backflip on a skateboard. What? Backflip. Next up, we don't got no grind. We got a huge grind.
You gotta know. You gotta put your helmet on for safety. Good. Okay. Get the skateboard. Now, it's time for a sweet grind. Okay, I'm pretty sure grinding is moving right over a crack. So, look at this sweet grind. Woo! Now, the guy that likes Nerf guns is gonna attempt a really awesome trick.
You know what, guys? I got big pants. You don't got no big pants, but I got. Anyways, I'm just gonna ride back and forth on my skateboard. It's a guy that likes Nerf.
Dude,
Anyways, here's your
Edgar, stop it. What did you do? I was so sad about a guy that likes Nerf guns to death, but I had to take my hoodie off. See? Okay. And I just to let you know, I did not know he was hiding a glow up in his Nerf gun. Hey guys, it's this guy who likes Nerf guns here, and I am not guy that likes Nerf guns.
Epic Mealtime and Freddy Wong.
That was not your line.
Intro of darkness, then redness, then light. You know what, guys? It's a guy that likes Nerf guns here, and you know what?
We just got done filming our epic skating thing. Do you have any words to say?
Chicken butts.
Cheerios are yummy!